In this example, we're going to look at another way to estimate our cost of goods sold, and we're going to look at the retail inventory method. So there are several retail businesses out there, such as department and clothing stores, who use this variation of the gross profit method, and they use it to calculate their cost of goods sold and their ending inventory. It requires, however, keeping track of both of the cost and the selling retail. So those words are kind of what we're talking about, the same thing here, selling and retail, prices of all the goods purchased. So we're going to use that information and we're going to calculate our estimated cost of goods sold and our ending inventory. So the first thing that we have to do is we're going to find our cost of goods available for sale from a cost standpoint and from a retail standpoint. So using the information given to us, we can calculate that our goods available for sale cost us $208,000 and our goods available for sale hold a retail value of $320,000. So basically what that means is we paid $208,000 for it and we're hoping to sell it for about $320,000. So the difference then would kind of be our gross profit. So then we're going to actually subtract out our net sales for the period. So our net sales were $260,000. That doesn't mean we sold everything we had and only sold it for $260,000 instead of $320,000. It just means what we did sell, we sold for $260,000. So you're going to notice that we have an ending inventory here. And our ending inventory at the end of the period is the difference between those two. It's $60,000 at retail. So then the next thing we're doing a ratio of cost to retail prices of goods available for sale. So it means that our cost at $208,000 are approximately 65% of our retail. So we take the 208 divided by the 320, and that's where the 65% comes from. So if our costs are 65% of our retail, that means that our retail at $60,000 for ending inventory, the cost would also be 65% of that, which would be $39,000. So what then we can estimate then is our cost of goods sold will be the $169,000, which is the 208 minus the 39, or is also the 260 times the 65%.